Welcome to the Road Universe channel, your go-to spot for the best-selling car accessories on Amazon. To all our new subscribers, thank you. And if you haven't joined us yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest finds. Driving Uber or Lyft? These Amazon car essentials can improve your ratings, protect your car, and make every ride smoother. Let's get into the top picks. Number 10. Interior acrylic headrest sign. Compatible with Lyft Uber. 2-pack. Number 9. Retractable Backseat 3-in-1. Car charging station box. Number 8. Waterproof car seat covers. Front seats. Number 9. Retractable Backseat 3-in-1. Car charging station box. Number 6. Survival Car Emergency Kit, Roadside Safety Toolkit.
Kit, with tools hand-picked by experts and survivalists. The Everlit Survival Roadside Emergency Kit is designed to prepare you for life's unexpected curveballs. Whether you're faced with a flat tire, a dead car battery, or minor first aid attention, Everlit has you covered. Stay prepared, stay safe. Find your ultimate emergency preparedness supplies with Everlit today.
Number 5. MagSafe car, mount charger, 15 watts. Magnetic wireless car charger. Number 4. Waterproof universal fit car floor, mats, faux leather car carpet mats. Number 3, car organizer, foldable trunk organizer. Number 2, 2 to 4, K dual dash, cam front and rear. Number 1, car trash can with lid and storage pockets, 100% leak-proof organizer. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.